everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and I am going to pack my new Fendi bag today just to show you what can fit into this bag. This is the small runway shopper in the white perforated leather, and it is raining so much today in Brisbane, so I was going to use it and I can't, but I thought I'll pack her up. We are going out tomorrow for lunch as well, so fingers crossed I can use her. I never want to take my bags out when it's pouring rain, and it is pouring rain in Brisbane today. We actually do need the rain, so it's good, but I thought, why not do this video? I think I looked on their website and this one probably is no longer available, but the dark one still is, so it's the same bag but a different color. So let me see. All the things that I'll need are here. I think this bag is probably not, it's not a large bag, but it's not too small that you can't fit all your essentials in, and that's what I like about this bag. I did do a fair bit of research on this bag, even though it took me months to get it. Watch my other video of my unboxing and it explains a bit more about this bag. So let's just start. I have my Victorian wallet from Louis Vuitton. Obviously you need a wallet to go out with. My car keys, my house keys with some coins in there and some money, my pochette with, you know, lipsticks and headache tablets and whatever else ladies need. I'll just arrange that a bit more. Sunglasses. This is just a sunglass case that I have from an old pair of sunglasses, but I love it because it just can be thrown in and not have to worry about it too much. Let me just arrange that properly. Tissues, and I've got two tissues here. I don't know why, but I'll put those in because you always need tissues. And then my phone, and it all fits in really nicely. There's still a bit more room. I probably wouldn't take much more than that, or if I did I could fit it in. So let me just show you. It does fit in quite well, and I'm really happy with the size of this because, like I said, it is not too small and it's not too big. And I think if I probably bought the bigger one, it would have been too heavy. It is quite heavy with all those in there, but I still love this bag and I think it's so practical for my lifestyle. But if you've got any questions, leave it down below. But don't forget, everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget, everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.